Okay guys, we purchased this online and received it, and I'm going to show you step by step how to assemble this. This is the Bowflex BFX C6 bike. Here is the package. Let's open it. You have do not return. If you have problem, call. And that is the Bowflex C6 quick start manual, which tells you how to start. French and Spanish. And thank you. So these are the three components that we have from the top. And there's something, the seat is attached to this bottom. This for me. Cut this. Red dumbbell, 3 pounds, 1.5 kilogram. Second one. So this. And here the whole bike. Let's start by cutting this piece. One more. We have one that has multiple holes. The other one which does not have holes. So the one that does not have holes, let's put it on here because this is squared. And the other one is like U-shape. We start with one of this long, and as you can see, one of this. So we get these three and get the thick one. We are inserting it in here. So job of this one is to adjust the height and hold this at any height that you want. Make sure this is facing to outside. If this doesn't go, make sure to untie this so this can get in and you can just lock it. And this one can be placed in here. Use this, one of these washers, insert it on the piece so it goes from the bottom. And lock this. Now we get this piece that has these wheels, and that's this side of the bike. We will open this screw. It has three pieces together like this. So the big washer is at the bottom, then this goes at the top, and then the screw. Lift it for me a little. So this is just a plastic for transportation. We will put this, bring it over this, and let's just leave it. using the tool that comes with it. Let's just tighten it. Let's cut this. First remove the screw. So this is just a plastic with a direction. We're just putting it. One of this, a washer, and this piece. And we will put this handle facing that way, like that. The washer on this, like that. And then from the bottom, we just tighten it. And we can move and adjust it. For now, let's just tighten it. It says L, and we have here L. This one is labeled as R, so the R is for the other side. The opposite direction, as you can see the arrow shows, we have to turn it the other way. The side that is labeled 15. Labeled as R, and I'll get to the R. So you have to put it very straight. Now, with the side that is 15, let's get this controller and this piece that has 4 holes. We have 4 screws, so let's open them. Like this. So this piece is up. I will include the photos and the description so you can see it, and then put this screws back. When you're inverting this, make sure that this piece is facing outside so you can invert it and put it easily. And make sure that when you open it, you can slide and lock it. So this is now correct. And then let's get this controller, get it like that, and then use the 4 screws. And then we will attach this water bottle. This is the right side, and then we have left side. It's been labeled as L. So hex key that is coming with it, we will open. Attaching it like this so it holds the bottle. And then the second screw, just put it. This one for the other side. Now we put the last piece in here. We have already 3 screws available. So this phone holder will go here. I just remove the 4 screws. You can put the tablet or phone here. And then here, let's connect this wire. We should connect it carefully. So this has been, but I don't know, this is hanging. I hope it doesn't get damaged like that. And here's the problem, when I try to tighten it, this needs to go further, but this is already taking the spot, so I cannot do that. I'm using a coin now to open this. Let's see if this allows me to fix this. Yes, so we can remove this and put it at a proper angle. Screw back. And now we can loosen it and we can tighten it back. Sorry, so that's good. And I did not find anything on the diagram or anything on the instruction how to use these. So those are now extra in my case. This is a heart rate monitor. You just pass the strap like that. To monitor the heart rate, even though my watch has the heart rate, but this will be used with the app that is coming with this. Because it's battery operated, it comes with this charger. You see these points, so we will just put it like that and then plug it to USB to charge it. And finally, the power adapter just goes to the wall. Go to the front. On this side we have a connector. And I was able to hear a beep. So now let's remove the sheet. And that's it. It doesn't have any other stuff. And now when I start paddling, let's see. That's the speed. It shows the calorie. And here the last thing is the paddle. How? So we can extend it like that, and when you want to lose it, just pull this back, it will be loosened. So insert your foot properly and then pull it, and that's it. When you place it in a room, make sure that you have 60 centimeters from that edge or 24 inch on all sides, including this side, front and the back, and on this side. Thank you for watching this Bowflex C6 full assembly. Please thumb up this video and also don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Enjoy and stay healthy.